Here's your online weather briefing for Wednesday, August 14th. I'm Donald Jones. Numerous showers and thunderstorms developed across our area today, bringing some much-needed rainfall. Many areas across south-central Louisiana saw between 1 and 2 inches, while areas further west saw a bit less, but still enough to at least wet the ground in most locations. This rainfall is being spawned by an unseasonable cold front, which has been slowly dipping southward throughout the day. The front is expected to push through our area late tonight and into tomorrow morning. A few lingering showers may still be around during the morning hours Thursday, but should clear out by midday. Drier and slightly cooler air will filter in behind the front, making the next couple of days much more tolerable. Shifting our attention towards the tropics, a tropical wave centered over the western Caribbean has gotten a bit better organized today, with gusts to gale force being produced in squalls east of the center. The system could form into a tropical depression later tonight or tomorrow morning before the storm reaches the Yucatan Peninsula. Considering this, the National Hurricane Center has indicated that the system has an 80% chance of developing into a tropical system. Another tropical wave south of the Cape Verde Islands also has an 80% chance of developing into a tropical system, but we'll have many days to watch that system as it traverses the open waters of the Atlantic. The question is, where will the Caribbean system ultimately wind up? First, any system that does develop over the next 24 hours will weaken as it crosses the Yucatan Peninsula. Once it reemerges over the Gulf of Mexico, conditions are expected to be less favorable for development. Thus, regardless of where the storm ultimately winds up, it will likely remain a weak system. The latest guidance indicates that a portion of the energy with the system will continue off to the west, eventually moving onshore across eastern Mexico. The other bit of energy will move into the central Gulf, where it will be steered by or absorbed by the retreating front currently moving through our area. This would move the system onshore across the northeastern Gulf Coast Saturday. Either way, the system currently poses no threat to southeast Texas or southwest Louisiana. We'll of course continue to monitor this system for any changes. So for the rest of tonight, a few showers and thunderstorms will continue through the overnight hours as the frontal system continues to make its way through the area. You'll feel the difference in the air by tomorrow afternoon as drier and slightly cooler air will filter in and linger through Saturday. The forecast for early next week will be dependent on the evolution of the Caribbean wave, but at this point only the return of typical afternoon thunderstorms are expected. For additional weather information, please visit our website at weather.gov/Lake Charles. If you have any questions or comments about the information presented here, please post them on our Facebook or Twitter sites, also listed here, and we'll be glad to answer them.